11 warning signs that your body desperately needs probiotics. We have started to learn that a healthy balance of good gut bacteria relative to the bad ones is critical to well-being in more ways than we've ever known. And the key to that balance is the role of probiotics. Though there is no easy, reliable way to measure your gut bacteria ratios, but there are some telltale signs, situations, and symptoms that probably mean you should take steps to increase the good guys column in the balance sheet. So what are those situations which indicate your body is in desperate need of probiotics? Let's know them all. You have used antibiotics, ever, even once, even decades ago. The anti of antibiotics means that these drugs are not selective when it comes to killing off bacteria. The good bacteria are wiped out along with the bad ones, leaving your immune system pretty much damaged. It may even take years of good nutrition to restore. You have digestive issues. Abdominal pain is the #1 symptom of insufficient probiotics. A primary role of beneficial bacteria is to break down food for absorption. When food isn't broken down properly, you can get any of several symptoms as acid reflux, heartburn, ulcers, bloating, flatulence, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, and diarrhea. You catch every bug that goes around. A varied and healthy gut population has everything to do with a strong immune system and resistance to disease, including cancer. Beneficial bacteria tackle all the different kinds of invaders that come into your body through all the different channels as breathing, touching, eating, sexual contact, etc. But when you frequently succumb to infections, it's a big red flag that you are in serious need of probiotics. You eat too much toxic food, including sugar. Toxic foods such as sugar, processed foods, artificial sweeteners, GMOs, fast food, and even some over-the-counter medications feed bad bacteria and yeast organisms, all of which can quickly overwhelm a gut biome too low on the probiotics to fight them. You are depressed, anxious, stressed, or have other mood, memory, or cognitive symptoms. Some of the most exciting studies released recently show that mental health is closely related to gut health. In fact, the link is so strong that it's being called the gut-brain axis. Serotonin and other neurotransmitters responsible for feelings of well-being are profoundly influenced by any changes in your microbiome. These studies also showed major improvements in symptoms of depression, anxiety, and memory loss after participants took sufficient levels of probiotics. You were born via cesarean section. The makeup of your gut microbiome is hereditary, meaning that most of the bacteria are passed from mother to baby during a vaginal birth. Babies born vaginally have a much richer variety of bacteria in the weeks immediately following birth than those arriving via the more sterile environment of a C-section. You can't sleep well. It turns out that your gut health has a lot to do with how restfully you sleep. If your gut microbes don't have enough diversity or numbers to produce sufficient tryptophan, your brain can't relax and turn off thoughts for the night. Along with serotonin, your gut is also responsible for producing GABA, an amino acid that is essential for restorative sleep. Making sure you get enough probiotics during the day will make all the difference at night. You're gaining weight. Managing your weight could be as simple as making sure you get enough probiotic-rich food. A recent study showed that probiotics signal the body to break down fat into forms that cells can use for energy instead of just storing the fat intact. Probiotics reduce the body weight, body fat percentage, body fat mass, and subcutaneous fat area in overweight subjects. You have acne, rosacea, eczema, or other skin disorders. Your skin is home to its own colonies of bacteria. In fact, the skin has its own microbiome. So healthy, clear skin relies on maintaining good bacteria, both inside and out. You don't eat your veggies. It's all about fiber. Fiber from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are not actually digested by humans. It's food for the billions of friendly bacteria that live in your colon. Fiber also provides bulk to move waste through the colon and out of your body. You are over the age of 40. Aging bodies have a harder time maintaining the balance of beneficial versus harmful gut bacteria. The growing imbalance leads to deteriorating gut linings, susceptibility to disease, and increasing inflammation. People over 40 need to be deliberate and diligent about making sure they get lots of probiotics in their diets. Hope this information helps. If you are new to this channel and found this information useful, then please like and subscribe for our future updates. Together, let's claim our life back and let the healing begin.